Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Okay, dear students, in the worksheet number 2 for organisms and population under CET NEET, there is a question in question number 28. I told that question I will discuss later. I mean the two options. One is the arithmetic growth option, another one is the geometric growth option, which you are going to study in plant growth and development. Already you studied, but in CET NEET you are again going to study. But still I will explain that concept, particular concept. For question number 28 of worksheet number 2, we have already studied what is exponential growth model as well as the logistic growth model. So what is arithmetic growth and geometric growth? Both kind of growth you can see in case of plants. So here you can see in case of root in plants, but here you can see in different cells, tissues and organs of the plants. So what happens in arithmetic growth? So arithmetic growth means following mitotic division, only one daughter cell continues to divide while the other differentiates and matures. Here only one daughter cell divides. This cell it is dividing. See the yellow colored which I marked, those are the dividing cells. Then the blue colored one, those are the undividing cells because they are already divided and differentiated and matured. Okay, only one, this is dividing. See this one is dividing, this one is dividing, other four are remaining same. See other not divided, four are there. So here four are undivided. So here 1 2 3 are undivided, 1 2 3, these are undivided, 1 2 3 4, this remain undivided, 1 2, this remain undivided, this is one undivided. So only one of the cell, daughter cell and by mitosis they will divide, others will remain undivided. So this is you can see in case of roots in plants. Okay, so the simplest expression of arithmetic growth is exemplified, root elongating at a constant rate, root elongating at a constant rate. This is an example for the arithmetic growth. So these are examples: cells, tissues or organs of a plant, they are all divided by this geometric growth, which is also a type of logistic growth. And if you plot a curve here, you will get a straight line. But if you plot a graph, you will get here a sigmoid shaped curve. Okay. So what you have to plot? You have to plot time along the x-axis, and along the y-axis you will plot height of the plant. Height of the plant along the y-axis you plot, then you will get what? A straight line. You get a straight line. So you plot the different points, you get a straight line. Okay. So constant growth you can see here, constant growth, that is arithmetic growth. But in case of geometric growth, you can see what? Here it is a straight line, then you get a sigmoid curve. So you have to plot again here time with respect to the x-axis, and along the y-axis you have to size or weight of the organ. Size or weight of the organ along the y-axis. So you will get the sigmoid curve. So where you will get first phase is the lag phase, and lag phase is followed by the exponential growth, which is followed by the stationary phase. Or lag phase, then log phase, then exponential phase, or stationary phase. Okay, so you get a sigmoid curve. So you can see in geometric growth, both the participating cells, they are equally divided. It's 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So here it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also divided. So further here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also it is divided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So both the participating cells, they are dividing, okay, equally. So that is geometric growth. So this is the difference between arithmetic growth and geometric growth, marked as a very important concept for the exam. So that's about the topic. So this is about the topic organism and population. So students, note down all the important points which I have written on the board, and also take down my lecture notes, and thank you for watching the video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.